Cybersecurity isn't just a tech issue, it's a business imperative. With threats evolving faster than ever, organizations can't afford to wait until something breaks. A structured cybersecurity assessment checklist helps you proactively uncover vulnerabilities and prioritize actions that protect your data, systems, and reputation. Focus on mapping all your hardware, software, and critical data, pinpointing potential attack vectors, scanning for vulnerabilities, assessing risk levels, and putting clear remediation steps into action. Regular updates ensure your checklist evolves alongside emerging threats, keeping your defenses strong. As Danny Koda, co-founder of GSDSolutions, points out, a well-constructed cybersecurity assessment checklist is not just a compliance tool, it's your frontline defense for protecting reputation, operations, and long-term value. Beyond just identifying risks, these checklists help organizations respond efficiently when incidents occur. Training staff, refining incident response plans, running simulations, and briefing leadership on escalation paths. For businesses, particularly small and mid-sized ones, this preparation can mean the difference between resilience and costly disruption. Think of your cybersecurity checklist as more than a form. It's a strategic asset that ensures early vulnerability detection, continuous improvement, regulatory alignment, and business continuity. Read our full article to dive deeper, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist.